Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your iPad's connector type because that decides how the keyboard links. If it's a smart connector model, align and snap the case into place. If it's Bluetooth, open Settings right arrow Bluetooth and put the keyboard in pairing mode. Once the keyboard is attached or paired, make sure it's charged and the iPad recognizes it. Check Settings right arrow General right arrow Keyboard for layout and language options. This gets you typing immediately with correct input settings. Now set up how you'll use the keyboard. Choose the hardware layout and input languages in settings so key mapping matches what you expect. Practice core shortcuts, Command plus space for search, Command plus tab to switch apps, because they speed navigation. If your case includes a trackpad, enable gestures and try two-finger scrolling and swipes for multitasking. Also use FN or globe keys to toggle emoji/dictation. Remap modifier keys if needed to match your workflow. These middle steps make daily tasks. Complete the setup by checking mechanical fit and folding the case correctly to prevent hinge wear. Store the keyboard flat when not in use. Keep the iPad OS updated because firmware includes keyboard fixes. Charge the keyboard regularly if battery powered. For cleaning, use a dry microfiber and compressed air in ports. If you hit a problem, connection drops or keys not responding, toggle Bluetooth or reset the smart connector, restart the iPad, and check keyboard layout in settings. This simple troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.